Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing time, tide, and immigration wait for no man, and neither do earthquakes. So, thought of making this video after reading a recent article from Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Deluge of Fake News About Thai Earthquake Swamps the Internet. Quoting directly, there have also been innumerable messages from condominium owners all over Thailand, but currently abroad, asking friends or next of kin to send a message to say the building has not been damaged. One email shown to Pattaya Mail said, quote, if my unit in Jomtien has collapsed, could you please check if you can find the paperwork for my one-year visa, which is due in April. And I think Mr. Kenyon, tip of the hat to you, sir, down there at Pattaya Mail was kind of making a little joke about, basically along the premise of the title of this video, which is Time and Tide, Wait for No Man. Well, immigration doesn't wait for much of anybody either. Now, extenuating circumstances like earthquakes, or I've been through the floods here. Also, when we did COVID, I remember doing the videos at the time of all the different rules about whether immigration was going to be open, and then if you could go to immigration, how you had to stand in line, and all of this good stuff. But at the end of the day, you still had to deal with immigration if you're an expat here. So what's the point of this video? Point of this video is, look, no matter what happens, the events of the day, if you will, unless we're talking about a legal holiday where immigration is closed, the immigration authorities, again, unless they're granted special powers, as was the case under the emergency decree dealing with COVID, where they did have the discretion to do extensions and things, to overlook overstays because of the extenuating circumstances. Under those circumstances, they were able to basically provide some leeway from the underlying rules. If you don't have one of those sort of emergency decrees, which currently it's my understanding we do not here in Thailand, we especially don't have one that pertains to immigration for foreigners here, then you're basically stuck in a situation wherein you're again stuck at immigration's mercy, and they're probably not going to listen to your excuses. Again, not to be funny about this, but long story short is, despite what happens here in Thailand, immigration does not wait on you in terms of keeping up your status. It's your responsibility to maintain your lawful status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.